The idea of using a test point to solve an inequality is pretty straightforward. You want to use the number as a boundary, either a solid dot for greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, or an open dot for just greater than or less than. Then what you're going to do is use one of the sides of the inequality to find a test point. So for example, if I use the right-hand side here, I'm going to choose x equals 0 because that's a pretty easy one to use. If I plug in 0 for x, I get 0 is greater than or equal to -2. And that is true. So I will use this side in the solution. On the other side, I'm going to choose x equals -3. And -3 is not true. -3 is greater than or equal to -2. So I do not use this side. So if I was going to graph the inequality, I know that all of these values would be the ones that make x is greater than or equal to -2 true.